Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Keriffe Biker Yoga shorts on the market. These shorts combine style, comfort, and functionality in a way that truly stands out among activewear options. Right off the bat, the Keriffe Biker Yoga shorts catch your eye with their signature V crossover high-waisted design. This unique waistband not only adds a fashionable twist but also provides excellent support, hugging the body comfortably and flattering the waistline. The crossover style reveals just a hint of the belly button, giving a subtle yet sexy look without compromising on comfort or coverage. When it comes to fabric, these shorts are made of a blend of 75% nylon and 25% spandex. This combination ensures a lightweight and ultra-soft feel against the skin, with enough stretch to move freely during any workout. The material is designed to be moisture-wicking, so it efficiently draws sweat away, helping keep you cool and dry during intense sessions. Plus, the fabric resists pilling and fading, which means these shorts will look fresh even after multiple washes. Functionality is a key feature here. Unlike many biker shorts, the Keriffe design includes a gusset in the crotch area. This triangle of fabric is specifically engineered to prevent the dreaded camel toe, offering both comfort and confidence during movement. The shorts feature a pull-on closure, making them easy to wear and take off without any fuss. Although the main design includes pockets in some versions, the popular 5-inch high-waisted style comes without pockets for a sleeker fit. The inseam length of 5 inches hits the perfect balance between coverage and freedom, making these shorts suitable for everything from yoga and Pilates to running and casual wear. These shorts are also incredibly versatile. Whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or just lounging at home, they pair well with various tops like blouses, t-shirts, or even casual suits. Their flattering shape and supportive waistband make them a stylish choice for everyday activities, all year round. The care instructions are simple as well. They are machine washable and imported, making them an easy addition to your workout wardrobe. With a weight of just over 4 ounces, they are light enough to feel like a second skin but sturdy enough to last. Overall, the Keriffe Biker Yoga shorts deliver on style, comfort, and performance, making them an excellent pick. For anyone looking to enhance their activewear collection with a reliable and flattering pair of shorts. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.